Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to learn Autodesk Inventor basic commands and construct a 3D part design. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane. Now take the line command. From this center point, we are going to construct a straight line and one line like this. Here, taper line, this and here, and make a joining profile. So this will be a closed profile. Now go to dimension. Take this total dimension here as 70 mm. Okay. Now define this as 10. Define the other dimension. Define this from base at 40 mm. Okay. Now we'll define this as 45. Now here define this point from center. This will be at 30. Now define this as 25 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now here take the arc command. Take 3-point arc and here select here and select here. Now go to dimension. Define this arc at 15 mm radius. Go to the vertical constraint. Select this point and select this point. Okay. Now escape. Now here you can see this is a moving form. So go to dimension. Define this as 15, or you can just go to coincident, select this point and select this. For that, escape, select this dimension, delete, go to coincident, select this point and select this. So this will be constrained. Now we have an open profile here. So go to line, select here and select here and escape. So this will be also a closed profile now. Finish sketch, or you can just mirror, go to mirror, select this complete profile. So this will act as a center line. Go to mirror line, select this, apply and done. So this similar profile will be created here. For center line, select this line, make it construction, select this, make it construction. Okay. Now finish sketch. So this complete will become one geometry. Go to extrude, select all profiles. Here we'll take symmetric and take a distance of 50 mm extrude and press OK. Okay. Now we'll select this face, go to create sketch. Here we'll take the rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile. Now here you can see, escape. The half of the rectangle is visible and half is not visible. So go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see the complete rectangle. Go to sketch, go to dimension. Here take a width of 30 mm and from top you have to take 60 mm. Now you can see we are unable to select here. So go to project geometry and project this line and escape. We are unable to project because of the curvature, because this is a radius profile. So you have to project the line over here. Go to dimension, define this total as 60 mm. Okay. Now go to vertical constraint, select this center and select this center. Now escape. Now here you can see this is in a moving form. Okay. So select coincident, select this point, select this line and escape. Now finish sketch, take here extrude. Now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now here you can see we have started from here. So the extrude profile is coming from inside. Now here I want to cut the profile. So I'll click on cut. So it is going reverse. Now I'll take here asymmetric. So the first cut here, outside cut will be of 50 mm and this side will be the second side. So this will be of 5 mm depth. Okay, this is reverse. So this will be 5 mm depth. I've taken here flip. If you have given this dimension, you can just click on here to flip the direction. So this will become 5 mm depth and this outside will become 50 mm depth. Okay, now press OK. So we'll generate a cut profile over here. Now go to 3D model, take here mirror, select extrude 2, go to mirror plane, go to origin, and here select YZ plane, rotate and press OK. Okay, so same cut will be generated here. Now go to home. Now here you have to cut this profile as well. So select this face, go to create sketch, and here take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, here make a rectangle profile, go to dimension, define this width here as 20, define this as 15, and here the depth will be of 8 mm. Okay, finish sketch, take here extrude, select this profile, take here cut, and here we will take all. So this will be also a through cut, and press OK. Okay, now here we will make the other cut profiles. Select this face, go to create sketch, here take circle command and make one circle here of dia 20. From this point make a circle of dia 40. Now go to horizontal constraint. We'll select here the center point of this line. Okay, and select here center. Now go to vertical constraint, select this center, and here select this center. Finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles. Here I'll click on cut and the distance will take all. So this will be a through cut. Rotate the profile and see the cut profile and press OK. Go to home. So this will be the cutout profiles. Now from here you can define any color. Okay, I've taken here cadet blue. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.